Here's the,
You want to turn this on? Does it turn on or no? Oh, you got it? Okay.
yeah. Just gotta be careful. Here's a.
There you go. You got it.
Alright.
What's that?
Yeah, and then it's poultry only because
Oh, very
it's the
nice.
problem. The turn, you have
Can I
to turn
close the door?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. It's still a turn of century Hebe. Doesn't have a light. And a Tesla behind. Yeah, I just gotta be careful. Now. Hi. Yeah. This is the only fan that doesn't have a light. That does not wobble, just like that. Yeah, it doesn't have a light. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.